the next few weeks. My cousin will be visiting me from Russia, so I'm really excited to show her around, and I'm gonna take you along with us. Hey guys, we're Julia and JJ. Next few months we're spending in India. Let's explore it with us. So we're going to the boat tour, but
Yes.
JJ thinks we're not going to see dolphins.
No chance.
It's
Even
called
on the-
dolphin boat tour.
Even on the advertisement, there was dolphins were like Photoshop on it, not real dolphins. And we're not even gonna stop to swim. But I think it will be still fun.
I was thinking, like, for sure we're not going to stop for swim because Asia. You even need to wear a life jacket all the time.
I was hoping we were gonna swim.
Hello. Я думала, влог записывается.
Да, мы записываем.
Hello, my name is Irina. I'm her cousin.
I hope we will see dolphins because I never see a wild dolphin. Actually, it's like my dream to see. So hopefully I will. Okay, let's try not to fall down with the camera.
I don't wanna go out on my own. Maybe we could stay and make a home. It's written on my heart and in my soul. You're the one good thing. And I don't think I've ever been so low. 'Cause losing you was worse than losing hope. And baby, I could never let you go. You're the one good thing I know.
So girls, what do you think about the trip?
Very beautiful dolphin, you know.
Yes.
Oh, maybe you see we're going to the deep sea. Maybe now we see dolphins.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
We're looking for dolphins.
Of course. Look here.
You already made this joke to me.
But you know, you should like it.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it. It's sun. Where are dolphins? Didn't see anything.
Guys, give it.
Yes! I thought he was gonna be dolphin.
Yes.
Oh my god! Oh, so cool. Again, it's two of them, you see? We were laughing and see?
Baby, you always wanted to see
Yes,
dolphins.
one of my dreams come true.
Finally, yeah?
Yeah.
How are you feeling? You like it?
Yes.
Yeah? You see
Yes.
dolphins before?
Yeah. For me, it's first time. You see as well in Australia, yeah?
Here were so many dolphins, and they always not alone. They jump with their
Yeah.
Was
friends,
nice, yeah.
pairs, family. I don't know.
I don't think they go individual, they are pack dolphins. I'm impressed. I didn't think we were gonna see dolphins.
For 300 rupees.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Guys, look what we found. Some ice-looking thing, ice with syrup. We tried something like this in Malaysia. That's pretty fun. Homemade ice cream. No?
One mango.
Yes.
One orange. Kind of ganda
Mango.
Thank you. You hold it.
Orange.
Thank you.
Welcome.
What do you think, baby?
That means it cools you down. And it's nice.
Cools you
Mango
down?
flavor.
Ну, такой химический.
Quite cold.
Yeah, it's for you to cool down. With some sweet syrup.
Yeah.
There's nothing special
And
to
give
it.
you
It's
energy,
just
sugar
as
gives
basic
you-
as it gets.
Yeah. It's okay. I just hope the water is not tap water.
Okay, now it's finally we decide where we're gonna sit down. We put our rain jackets on the floor and sit if we were supposed to see a nice parade.
It's a nice place here. It's shallow, there is sellers with ice cream and everything.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll have a great time.
Yeah, and on the way here we see many vehicles prepared for parade. They were looking closer.
We came a bit early. The guys told us it will start around 3 o'clock, which is already free, but seems like they will be a little bit
Yeah, slowly,
late.
slowly.
But
you
it's
know?
a first day today, so I'm really excited. So we start coming, selling some masks and stuff, so hopefully we'll start soon. It's actually a common thing that like locals, they dress up as well. They have some wigs, masks and these kind of things. It's actually pretty cool, so maybe we'll get something as well. We find nice position. And of course we're getting masks. I already get one. Now my cousin is changing. She have like some flowery dress. We're trying to find something similar.
कैसे दिए हैं?
I did the same. Don't want mask, baby?
No, I'm okay.
No.
Yours look nice.
Thank you.
Matches with your dress as well.
Yeah, that was the plan. It's been already 2 hours. We're still waiting. We're actually really tired, but I just got interviewed by local TV. Our best stuff. Look, guys, the helicopter, they're throwing some kind of powder. I don't know what does it mean, but it looks pretty cool. Guys, it's been nearly 3 hours of us waiting. We're actually pretty
Come too
tired
early.
and hot, yeah.
We should have listened to our landlord. He said come in the evening. And we were late and we come at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, and it's like nearly 5. I feel like it's kind of starting, but we still don't see anything, but we hear some music.
I think it's
So-
another protocol came around.
I don't know.
I think it might be delayed and this kind of things. They're waiting for the main guy, the protocol who's the highest person. They don't
Maybe.
start it before that person comes.
Because everybody is ready, like here for 1 hour, everybody is sitting like minimum. Finally it started, guys. I think this is the King of Carnival and he's always the opening one. And after that it will be all the interesting stuff. The live musicians, impressive. They should be so tired and hot dancing under the skin, yeah? How the tourists got there? I would have loved to be there as well. So cool.
I've been to a few parades in my life. Normally the street meant to be empty. It's only for the people who pray. Look at here. The street is full of people. When they come, the people on the parade, they barely squeeze by people.
Also, the weird thing is usually the carnival starts and it doesn't stop. It starts moving constantly. Here it's like one car comes and then 10 minutes we just wait. Then another car comes and then again 10 minutes we just wait, which is like so weird, honestly. I hope it's just the beginning. Maybe it didn't like organize good, but hopefully it will be constantly because otherwise it's just like
parade in my life that I see people stop the parade people to take selfie.
Yeah, it's like interesting experience for sure. So it's pretty weird. People are standing like right in the middle of the road, and these guys who are doing the parade, they just stopping in the middle of the road. They're not moving. It's so weird.
What you took, what they given. You see the people are trying to open the way for the car. So interesting.
Should I take a selfie with them?
I don't think you can take a selfie with the car.
Look how cute is this little policeman. Now the guys are taking some interview. I mean, getting interviewed.
Lovely weather. It's winter in my country.
Me and my cousin come here to Paradise Beach. JJ didn't come with us, he's working. And I heard it's really cool to drive in Paradise Beach because like long empty beach and it's cool to ride a scooter. But the problem is it's only me and my cousin and we're a bit struggling, like we don't know if it will be fine for us to take the scooter through the sand. So I guess we're gonna try now. I will not sit on the scooter, my cousin will drive. And we just need to put it down, and I think the rest will be fine. Just the hard part is this thick sand. I think she's already struggling, so I'm not sure if we can do it. One local guy was very nice, and I think he is helping us to take the scooter down. But actually, my main problem is not down, but up. But let's see. Yeah, it's like 2% doing it. So I imagine like me and my cousin, I don't think we would have been able to do that. Yeah, down is easy. Let's see, but yeah, that's all just for having this amazing video how we're driving in the beach. I hope it's gonna be nice and this footage was worth it. But yeah, like now the guys are here. Hopefully when we will be coming back, somebody else will have buses. Cousin is struggling, but we found some better road. At least there is no angle, it's just straight, but still through this sun is pretty hard. These Indian people are just amazing. Another guy just asked to help us and he's doing it. It's so nice, so nice.